Welcome back to another video in the 𝗵𝗲 video series. These are simple, shareable solutions to help save you time and get you better sounding mixes in 5 minutes or less. Today we have the Minister of Badness demonstrating how we can use MIDI notes to trigger 𝗲𝗵𝗲 𝗛𝗏.
Hello guys, this is 𝗵𝗲, known as the Minister of Badness. And my friend Robert from the Home Studio Simplified channel has kindly asked me to show you how to trigger 𝗲𝗵𝗲 𝗛𝗏 using MIDI in Cakewalk. It's very easy. It's actually stupidly simple. So for this example, I'm using the raw vocals of my song Gone, my latest release. They're not very raw. They're the tuned ones, and I just added some EQs and just one EQ basically, and a noise suppressor because it was a bit noisy, 𝗬𝗏𝗏 as a compressor, and then the 𝗲𝗵𝗲 𝗛𝗏. This is just as an example. This is not how I usually mix, but just for your sake so you can actually hear it. So let's begin. I'll let you hear how it sounds first, and we could start after that.
I don't really wanna stay with you being gone and far away. Left me all alone to feel the pain. Is it all my fault that you're gone? I should've never let you go. The days passing by and a fade. The pain is numbing on my face. Am I the one to blame, or should I never let you go?
Okay, so as you could hear, it's just the main vocal. There aren't backing vocals or anything. So we add 𝗲𝗵𝗲 𝗛𝗏. Let me open it here. And we use the scale and key of the song. I know the key of the song because I produced it. So it's B major. It is very important to add the actual key, the right key and scale, so the harmonies could generate based on the key of the song. We could generate it based on the vocal itself and the scale, but it really sounds robotic.
I don't really wanna stay with you being gone and far away. Left me all alone to feel the pain.
Also, I'm tuning it, so it's already tuned, so you just turn it off. Anyways, it's not, maybe you want to be more detailed and to have it based on the chords that you have or a melody that you wrote, and you want to harmonize with it. So the way you do it is you go here on the VST. Maybe it'll be VST 3 for you or 2. I use 2 because it's more comfortable for my laptop. And you click on Enable MIDI Input. That's it. You create a MIDI track, and you either click all, it's on default on custom. So you click on input or output, and in the output where it says none, you go 𝗲𝗵𝗲s. Now this works with any plugin that could be triggered by MIDI. So 𝗏𝗏𝗏 or any harmony plugin or vocoders or any other stuff like that. Even tuners, some tuners could be triggered by MIDI. So now I don't have my MIDI controller, so I'll use my keyboard, and you do this by Alt-0 and you'll get the virtual controller. You can click on the keyboard, and if we open 𝗲𝗵𝗲 𝗛𝗏, okay, we'll play it.
I don't really wanna stay with you being gone and far away. Left me all alone to feel the pain.
This is all based on what I'm clicking, and this is such a cool tool because you could actually create your own harmonies instead of letting the computer or the actual algorithm in the plugin do it for you.
I don't really wanna stay with you being gone and far away. Left me all alone to feel the pain. Is it all my fault that you're gone? I should've never let you go. The days passing by in a fade. The pain is numbing on my face. Am I the one to blame, or should I never let you go?
So yeah, I mean, I hope you have learned something new. As I said, it could be used with any plugin that could be triggered with MIDI. And have a nice day. Bye bye.